This morning, the goal is to empower low-income and minority students in STEM. An Indianapolis teacher is one of 100 from across the U.S. selected to be part of a prestigious science program. This is kind of some neat stuff. Our Nico Panisi live in downtown Indy to explain a bit more. Good morning, Nico.
Good morning, Caitlin. Sandra Harris is a teacher at Indiana Math and Science Academy West, and she believes that STEM and science fair research are vital for students' futures and success.
Curiosity is key.
See what you guys think.
In Sandra Harris's class,
They have brilliant ideas. We just need to give them a platform to show those brilliant ideas.
Indiana Math and Science Academy West creates an avenue for students to explore STEM through its science fair program.
We will make sure they get the materials that they need, and then we stay with them. I mentor them from the time they start their projects to the time they finish with science fair.
Harris was selected for this year's Society for Science Advocate program. She'll receive $3,000 to help guide her students in science research and competitions.
Because it's their own curiosity that's driving them, these become passion projects.
Two of those students are 8th graders Soraya and Mercy. Each girl is curious about different things.
I've been working with density since 4th grade.
I'm comparing American food and comparing it to Korea food.
But both young ladies share a love of science.
Science can be related to the real life situation. And what if we need that situation? What if we need help with that? I can be the one to help that.
I could maybe want to help other people, like encourage them to actually learn what they're doing to their bodies.
The majority of the IMSA West student body is lower income and minority children. Harris says the Society for Science stipend will help her fill gaps where needed.
Even with the school supporting us, there's still a ton of expenses that come up.
Harris says students like the ones in her school are often underrepresented in STEM. She hopes to change that.
It teaches them critical thinking, problem solving, communication, cooperation, everything that they need to be successful adults.
Harris's science fair students get a chance to present their work at the school, and depending on how well they do, they're able to take their research across the state for additional competitions. And actually, the top 25 students selected will get a chance to head to Chicago for a regional science fair competition called Concept. Caitlin.
Nico, kind of neat. I still remember my science fair project, so it's awesome to see teachers doing so much good in the Hoosier State. Thanks so much for that story.